Thank you for joining me for part 1 of hetras tutorials. Let's begin by creating a basic profile. In the Profiles menu, you can either search for existing profiles or create a new one, as we will do here. Hetras gives you 4 ways to categorize your profiles: under Guest, Company, Travel Agent, and Contact. In this instance, we will create a guest profile. Click Continue to bring up the Guest Details mask. Begin with personal details: last name, first name, and title. Guest nationality can be entered here. With language preference, you determine what language guest correspondence will be in. Not all hotels are set up with more than one language, so do not be surprised if there is only one language in the drop-down. From here we will move on to address details. The street name or names will go in the upper box. Further details such as city and country, postal code or zip code, come further down. Should you wish to enter a second address, such as billing details, click here on Add Address. Once you've filled out the form, you can determine with this button which address should be primary and should appear on the guest communication. To remove an address, click here. Let's move on to further communication details. Begin with the email address. To add a second address, click on Add Communication. Here as well, you are able to determine the primary email address or remove it if needed. Further types of communication details can be entered here. Important guest information can be entered into the internal comments box. As the title indicates, this information will not be seen by guests. Please also note that this information is attached to the profile and not to a particular reservation. Once you are happy with the amount of information registered, press Save to create a profile number. Join me for part 2 of the profile tutorial to learn how to search for a profile and how the profile can be further personalized.